Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen Arteon 2.0TDI 150B R-Line with area view and rear assist. This sleek black beauty is not only stylish but loaded with comfort and safety features, ensuring a smooth and secure ride every time. With 2,000 kilometers on the clock and a 2-litre engine, this car is ready to hit the road with you. From its ambient lighting to its satellite navigation and collision avoidance braking, this Arteon has it all. Plus, with ABS, multiple airbags and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us at or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.